My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Allahu Akbar. This is the ransomware that may damage the files. It encrypts files and then appends a special extension to the file names, so it is impossible to then use the files. The ransomware would then tell the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So we urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. Whenever you try to open this specific file, you have this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this Allahu Akbar extension. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. In the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, so don't skip this very important step. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching and investigating the system. At the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of the threats. Now remember that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it doesn't decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium. This way your data would always be protected from all further ransomware attacks, and you can of course always request for the fully functional free trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. In the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how to recover your data.